This is how to make an interactive Google form. So you're going to start as usual on the Create button and choose Form. And it asks you to choose a theme and give it a title. So I'm just going to leave the default theme and give it my main title, which is Colour Theory. And then OK. So you're given the first question. So I'm going to put in my first question, which is what are the colours red, blue and yellow called? And I'm going to save it on multiple choice, and I'm going to put in my choices of primary or secondary. Now the important bit here is to tick on this bit here, go to page based on answer. So I'm going to tick that bit, and I'm not going to choose my pages yet because I haven't made them. So I'm going to click that's a required question and click done. Now the important thing here is this insert a page break here, because this will put every question on a different page, and then you can tell the form what page to go to. So I'm going to insert a page break, and you can call your page a name if you wish. So I'm going to call it video, and then it lets you add items to this page. So I'm going to add a video, which I've already found one on YouTube about colour theory, so I'm going to copy the URL and paste it in and hit select, and that will put my video into my form. And I'm going to say watch this video, refresh your memory, then go back to question 1. It'd be good if I spelt it right. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to click that one as done. So I've got a video embedded, and then I'm just going to add an item wrong one, it's not a checkbox, it's a multiple choice. There we go. And I'm going to go back to question 1 when they're ready, and I'm going to tick that one, and when you tick on the go to page based on answer, you get an option box, and I'm going to go back to page 1, which was the main colour theory page. That one's a required question. Click done. So I've got my starter question now, and where they go if they get it wrong, and my next one is where they're going to go if they get that question right. So I'm going to insert another page break. So the important thing here is to insert a page break after every single question. So this is going to be question 2. Just call that page question 2, and then I'm going to say add an item, which is a multiple choice, and put in my second question. What are the colours orange, green and purple called? Again, multiple choice, and I'm going to put primary and secondary again. It's really embarrassing when I'm typing one of these and I type it all wrong and spell it wrong, but never mind. And click done. Okay, now I can go back to my question 1 and sort out where these answers are going to go to. So I'm going to go back and click the pencil, which will edit this question. So the red, blue and yellow are primary colours, so that's the correct answer. So that one I need to go on to page 3, which is question 2. And if they click the wrong answer, they need to go on to the video page, which will refresh their memory. So that's sorted out where those two are going. So that one's done. The video is already done, and then I can continue on and add more pages and sort out where these questions are going to go. So if you want to see what this looks like live, you can click on this bit here which says view live form, And you can see, instead of seeing all of your questions all in a row like you normally do on a Google form, because you've put each question on a separate page, it only shows one page at a time. So I'm going to put the wrong answer in first. So I'm going to say that they are secondary colours and hit continue, and check that that takes me to my video page for a quick refresher. So watch the video and then back to question 1. Then I'm going to choose my correct answer and continue, and that should take me on to question 2. So that's working fine, and I can continue putting my pages and my links in from each question. So that is how to make an interactive Google form.